How to post sending on weekends in Instantly.ai. To set this up, head over to your campaign settings, look for the sending schedule section, and you'll see options to customize days and times your emails go out. Simply uncheck Saturday and Sunday, and Instantly.ai will automatically skip those days while continuing sequence on the next available weekdays. This is important because sending emails on weekends often leads to lower open rates and delayed responses since most professionals don't check work email until Monday. By posting weekend sends, you'll keep your campaigns looking more natural, avoid wasted outreach, and maximize engagement during peak inbox hours. It's a small tweak, but it can make a big difference in how effective your Instantly.ai campaigns perform. So that's it.